Hey folks, welcome back. Chris with SealBoss here. We're going to do a little segment today on the CanSeal Foam by SealBoss. So unlike some of our other foams, CanSeal Foam is used more for utility. So think in terms of quick foam, literally being dispensed by a gun, control with the tip of the gun. Think in terms of abandoning conduits, small holes, voids, pipes, things like that, where you need to get a foam in there quickly by pulling a trigger and releasing. On that note, one thing to mention about the gun, once you go ahead and dispense, the minute you release that trigger, this gun is now sealed up. So there's an airtight seal, and this gun does get attached to the top of the can. So when you go ahead and affix this and then start installing, once you go ahead and have that set up as such, you'll turn it around, put your foam wherever you need it. You could then store this system on a shelf and you can reuse it much later down the road. So it's kind of nice. It's a spring-loaded sealed system. Something pretty interesting about this product, you're looking at about an 8-gallon volume from every one can. So that equates to roughly 1,800 cubic inches. Very good adhesive properties, industrial grade foam, available here at SealBoss. If you have any questions about the CanSeal Foam, feel free to call us, get a hold of one of our reps. We're here to help you. Be safe, have fun out there. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.